Good morning, children, and welcome to your English class. Children, today we are going to study one story from your book, and that story or that chapter which we will study today, that chapter is Should Wizard Hit Mommy? Actually, this story is written by John Updike. So, what is given in this story? Children, in this story, you will find that there was one father and he had a small girl. She was near about 3 or 4 years of age. And this story tells us the changing relationship between the parents and the children. So, this is the base theme of this chapter, or you can say that this is the base theme of this story. So, the father, Jack, he was in habit of telling his daughter Jo a bedtime story. And it was the observation of father that when she was very small, and when he was telling her the bedtime stories, very easily she was sleeping or very easily she was going to bed. But slowly the girl was growing up, and daily she was asking new questions. Whenever the father was telling her the stories, in between the stories the girl was asking questions, and the father was finding it very difficult to give the answers of all the questions which were asked by the small girl. And not only that, it was a real problem for the father to make up the stories, new stories daily, because the girl was also becoming curious. As I told you, she was asking questions in between the stories. And the father, when he found it very difficult to make new stories daily, then he adopted a new method. Daily he was telling the same story, but he was changing the characters, and little bit he was modifying the stories also. So one day he told the story about one animal whose name was Roger Skunk. That animal had a problem, and that problem was that the animal smelled very bad. And because of this problem, the other animal of the forest, they avoided Roger Skunk, and they did not want to play with him. So for this problem, the Roger Skunk, this animal who gave out a very bad smell, he went to one owl. The owl directed him to visit a wizard and told him that wizard will solve your problem. So ultimately this Roger Skunk, he went to the wizard for the solution of his problem. The wizard ultimately solved his problem, and now when the problem was solved, Roger Skunk, earlier who smelled very bad, now got a new smell. So when he returned to the forest, he found that all the other animals earlier who avoided Roger Skunk because of his bad smell, now they were very happy and they started playing with him. And after playing, when he returned to his home, the mother of Roger Skunk, she was very furious. Why she was furious? Because when she noticed that her son, earlier who smelled so badly, now was smelling so nicely, she could not tolerate this thing, and she asked that how you got this smell. So Roger Skunk told told the whole story to his mother, but mother was very angry because it was a tradition, you can say, that all the member of that family, they had very bad smell. So the mother, she could not tolerate this thing, that Roger Skunk, now he was smelling differently from the other family members. So she became furious. She took him again, Roger Skunk, back to the wizard and reprimanded the wizard and asked him to give him back the old bad smell. So Roger Skunk once more, he got back his old bad smell. So when father told this story to that small girl Jo, she was not satisfied with the climax of the story. Why she was not satisfied? She wanted that the story should end on a happy note. She wanted that Roger Skunk should smell good, but because of the mother, he was not able to do so. And the girl Jo was very unhappy by the climax of the story, and she wanted that the wizard who solved the problem of Roger Skunk should hit the mommy, should hit the mother of Roger Skunk on her head. But the father Jack, he tried to defend the mother. So this is, you can say, a story which tells the relationship between growing up children and the parents. Thank you, children.